Walker, you ready to pay attention, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 10th of 2022. Sir, were you in the area of East Warren and Drexel Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
And were you in a vehicle, a GMC vehicle at that time, sir?
Yes.
And was there open or alcohol on the passenger side of that motor vehicle, sir?
No, in the back seat.
Backseat passenger side is open though?
Yep.
What was it?
A cocktail. A Mike's Hard.
All right. Counsel satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the charge of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. My fine for this is $140, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
So I'm gonna have to do no later than May 19th, 2023. Sir, typically they reduce these. I'm wondering if they don't reduce it because you're so nonchalant about this whole situation that's going on. You can't have open alcohol in motor vehicles, okay?
All right.
All right, Mr. Walker. Have it due no later than May 19th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, the reason why they don't want you to do that is because the temptation to drive in your vehicle after you do something like that, correct?
Right.
Okay. All right, Mr. Walker, don't do this anymore, okay?
All right, I got it.
All right, so May 19th, $240, okay? You pay it online or come down here, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Walker.
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
All right.
Hi, Ms. Snyder.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. They're in room 15, waiting to talk to you, to an attorney, okay?
Perfect, thank you.
All right, Jay Williams. How to get there, Ms. Snyder? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jade Williams. This is ticket 321579. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1276825. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 588086. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am? You need to unmute. Your device is muted, Ms. Williams.
I apologize, Jade Williams.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding
Yes.
today?
Your Honor, defendant Paul Marini stands mute at this time.
All right, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client.
Your Honor, my client wishes to accept the offer of the prosecutor, which would be to plead to a ticket that's not on the docket here. It ends in 825 count 1, and plead to ticket 825 count 2, and with a reduced charge of failure to display. The remaining four tickets will be dismissed.
All right, well, that first count, she already paid the ticket, so I'm not gonna make her plead to that.
Okay, well, that's resolved then.
And so, let's see. The count two, ma'am, is drove while license not valid. It is a, being reduced to fail to display. You want to take advantage of that today?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take you back to the date of November 10th, 2021. Were you at that time driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Tyerman and Whitewood in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
Yes.
Yes, it was not valid.
Yes, it was not valid.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea to the amended charge of fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, I see that you've paid $858 so far in these tickets that I kind of called today, the tickets associated with it. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines on this ticket. You have to pay any reinstatement fees that go with these tickets, though. I can't waive those, okay?
Okay.
All right, but I won't charge you an additional fine because I do see that you paid quite a bit of money, okay?
I appreciate that, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. Get that license, okay?
Okay. All righty. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
All righty.
And we go try to catch up with Prosecutor Snyder for a minute to get a couple offers, Your Honor,
Okay,
or at least one offer.
I know, she may have logged off.
Okay,
I know, we just have to be patient this morning. Everybody just gotta
no
be patient.
problem. Okay,
All right,
15, let's use some 15.
Attorney Soroki,
Yes,
have you talked to Tamaya Young in room 10? Her officer is here.
yes, I have. She has an assurance certificate. I sent that to the prosecutor, and I'm waiting for an offer, but I wasn't able to catch up with the prosecutor.
Oh, okay.
Attorney Mansour, you spoke to the prosecutor about this case?
Yes, Your Honor, we've spoken to the prosecutor. We can't reach a resolution. I reached out to the prosecutor's supervisor and I haven't received a response yet. I just asked for either an adjournment or if we could just set this for a bench trial and I'll try to get a response from.
Either way, which one you prefer, bench trial or pre-trial?
I prefer the bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your client here?
Yes, he might still be in that breakout room.
I get him. Can I have your P number? please?
78438.
Thanks.
Hello, Doshawn Wright. Did the lawyer tell you to come out of the breakout room or are you just checking in?
I'm just checking in.
Huh? Oh, no. Why are you late?
I thought it was at 1:30 and not 8:30. I'm sorry. I was actually still at work at 8:30.
Mr. Yada, when you're in court, you're supposed to be paying attention so that I don't have to log on through another device and come get you out the breakout room.
I'm sorry, the breakout logout just came up to me. I don't know if I have any button I can press on it or anything. And I wasn't
See,
hearing
turn on your
anything.
camera.
Yeah, sure.
Now calling the matter of People versus George Yada. This is ticket SP 1378295. This is one count of reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sean Mansour on behalf of Mr. Yelda. George, please state your first and last name for the record.
And first name is George. My last name is Yelda.
And thank you, Your Honor. We're here for a pretrial. We have not been able to reach a resolution. I'd ask at this time that the judge sets this for a bench trial. If the court will allow.
All right, if so, Mr. Yada, please raise your right hand. Do you
George,
swear
raise your
or-
right hand.
There you go.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I will swear that I'll tell the truth, but nothing but the truth.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right. Attorney, will you look at your calendar for July 25th, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Is this going to be an in-person or Zoom matter?
as of right now, they're all Zoom.
Okay,
So is that a good date for you?
that is a fine date. Thank you.
All right, it's gonna be July 25th at 9 a.m. That is via Zoom. I'm gonna set his bond at $0 personal. Are you all right today, Mr. Yada?
Yeah,
Okay, I just wanna make sure. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see both of you back July 25th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. You're all set, so you can log off.
thank you, Honor.
No problem. All right, Attorney Walker. we
Yes,
got,
Judge, good morning.
Good morning. We have a officer here for Attorney Soroki's case. I believe he tried to present the registration, but it's another count on it. So he needs to talk to you about an offer. Can y'all go to a room for me, please?
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
I believe the officer's in room 1. Y'all all want to go to room 1?
That'll be
That's
good,
fine.
Judge.
that's great.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Wright, let me see if you're on a docket for this one. Is he on the docket?
Yes, really, okay.
All right. How many minutes is he at?
2.
Huh? 2. All right. All right, Mr. Wright. We're gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. No one's gonna be in there with you. You'll be in there all by yourself. But counsel will come in there and talk to you about your case and rights. Counsel is currently talking to someone else right now, and my other counsel had to leave because we're a little short with staff today. But there'll be someone who come in there and talk to you about your case and about your rights, okay? So just hold tight once you're placed into the breakout room. You go to 4.
Okay.
All right, 4. Go to 4, okay?
Okay, let me do it. Let me go talk to the officers.
Do you
Yes.
need me again, Mr. Soroki?
Well, the defendant refused to offer. She refuses to plead to the failure to use turn signal to the reduced charge. So we're gonna have to put a trial on this.
Well, I talked to Officer Amin Ra. As long as she got registration, he was fine with dismissing as long as there's a stipulation.
She had insurance. I didn't ask her for.
Or I'm sorry,
registration.
insurance. I'm sorry, wrong one. As long as she got the documentation, he's fine with dismissing as long as she steps.
Okay, that's fine. Then we can, you can bring her out. The court can bring her out.
And Judge, was there another matter that someone needed to speak with me on?
There's a couple more. I have a couple more trials. The police officers haven't showed up yet, but,
Well, that doesn't
Bianca.
sound like a talk we need to have.
Okay, that's fine. That's it for right now, unless I go to the odd breakout rooms and talk to the defendants that Herman was talking to.
I mean, we could wait for him to come back. I don't know that he needed, anybody. We could do yours though, Attorney Soroki, and get yours out the
Okay.
way.
Well, we're ready. I missed Tamaya Young, Your Honor.
Okay.
They did, but I know her sister. Tanisha Martin. Oh, okay. They had the same. And the attorney, right? Oh,
I was supposed to be in a breakout room, but it kind of kicked me out. So which one was I supposed to be in?
I'm sorry, Ms. Watt. I think I might have been trying to get somebody else out and accidentally hit for you to come out. You can either go back to breakout room number 6, or I can put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Which should be
I'll go
yours.
back to number 6.
Okay, go back to number 6.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. I gotta sign in.
Judge, did you say your other House counsel is Herman Griffin?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm going to jump off here since Mr. Soroka
Shannon.
got with me.
I just have to clarify one thing with you on the insurance certificate. The certificate starts 4/27 and then it's for 6 months. So it's it doesn't start. I'm sure she has her existing insurance, but it doesn't start for like a week or something.
I'm fine with that. That's still fine.
Okay, very good.
Ooh, Judge, we see you up close and personal on that one screen.
I know. I'm trying to go into the breakout room and get these folks out so I can move along with my day.
Okay, I'll reach out to Mr. Griffin on his cell phone. Thank you, Judge.
Hello?
1 second now. Hold on a second. All right, Miss Young.
How long will it take for me to buy this car? Feel free to take us.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamaya Tanika Young. This is ticket SP 1354622. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. She doing a lot. She walking, she drinking.
Yes, Alan Sroki.
No, I didn't finish calling it. I need 3 seconds. Y'all gonna have to help me. It's not y'all, it's me today. My patience level is not real high. And so when I can see everything, I know they can't see me. So, I'm trying to exhibit still those good things. I just need 5 seconds, just 5 seconds.
Attorney Soroki,
Yes,
are you ready on everyone else?
the other ones are trials that the police officers haven't checked in on.
What about you, Attorney Griffin? Because I'm closing down the breakout room.
I just want to
I'll
make
start.
sure. I just want to make sure that none of the officers for my clients showed up either.
No other officers checked in.
Okay, then yeah, we're
Is everybody
ready.
ready? I'm closing on.
Okay.
and put him in the breakout. In the waiting room. Oh, someone needs to go in and speak with Dosheen Wright though. Cause he just checked in, Dosheen Wright.
I'll take care of it.
Okay, hold on.
So did someone speak to Fire Con Woodson?
I'll go.
Oh, she's still sitting on the stairs.
Ms. Young,
Yes, ma'am.
the judge is waiting for you to get ready for court. You have a lot of movement. You're drinking. She's ready. She's waiting for you to get ready for court. You
I
have
was
to be
leaving the
still.
bathroom. I was just leaving the bathroom. I didn't know it
You
was my
ready?
time. I'm ready.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Recalling the matter of the people versus Tamaya Young. This is ticket SP 1354622. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, fail to signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Tamaya Tanika Young.
Yes, Your Honor, in this matter, the prosecution's dismissing all charges based upon valid documentation.
All right. Having heard the recommendation and seen the recommendation, and now you have valid docs, ma'am, they're willing to dismiss this without prejudice. Make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle. It sounds like this current insurance is close to being expired or has expired, so make sure you get some new one if you don't already have the up-to-date one, okay?
I just updated it, ma'am.
Okay. All right, cool. I just want to make sure because they will give you another ticket, okay?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. All the counts have been dismissed, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, good.
Go ahead, sign off.
Irma White.
Irma White. Let me bring her out. You ready on her, Mr. Soroki?
That must be Herman's defendant, but I can handle it.
Oh no, do you have even or odd?
I have even, Your Honor.
Okay, even. Okay, I'm sorry. You have Bianca Witcher then?
Yes, I do. That's a trial.
And then you have Doshawn Wright. Did you talk to him, Doshawn Wright?
No, I don't know what breakout room he's in, Your Honor. He's the one that just came in.
Yeah, he's in number 4.
Number 4.
So let me
Okay, I'll go.
Yes.
Do you want me to go talk to him now?
Yeah, go talk to him now, because that'll be like one of the last ones you have.
Okay.
Got the other one.
I'm sorry, prosecutor left, okay. We have a 6 to 10 speeding, Your Honor, that we could use an offer on. If the court's able to do it, that's fine. If not, I can contact Alexa.
Okay, have you been talking to her via text or how are you talking to her?
I'll just email her right now.
Okay.
Attorney Soroki,
Yes,
are you ready on the ones with the officer that didn't show up?
yes, I'm ready on the, I'm ready for those.
Okay.
Officer Amon Ra,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. I took care of that case. I tried to get you out a little while ago. Took care of it
Okay.
about 15 minutes ago. All right.
All right, take care.
You too, thank you. Be careful out there. Witchers,
Yes.
please turn on your cameras and unmute yourself. I'm gonna call both of them Attorney Soroki. They're both gonna have the same outcome.
I'm on the phone right now. I can't do this right now. Please, brother. Hold on.
Tanisha Walker,
Yes, I'm right here.
yes, could you remove whatever's on your head, ma'am, please? Thank you. Put your camera back on, the judge is ready, she's ready for you.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Bianca Witcher. This is U ticket 646-66322. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Also calling U ticket 646-66222. This is for Tonisha Watcher. Both of these matters are here today for disorderly conduct bench trials. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Miss Bianca Witcher, can you state your name for the record first, please?
Bianca Walker.
All right, and then ma'am, Tonisha Walker?
Tonisha Walker.
Okay, all right. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial in both these matters. Police officers have not appeared and prosecutors are not ready to move forward. Defense moves to dismiss at this time, both matters.
All right. The time is now 10:32 a.m. This was set for 9 a.m. No officers having appeared. The court's going to grant this request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, to both of you, no more of this behavior, especially not in city limits, please, and thank you, okay?
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Some of these are just dismissals, so I'm gonna bring them in if they're just dismissals and you can do them, okay?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right. Leo Wilkes? Mr. Wilkes or Mr. Welch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kill it today. Boy, I tell you, today. Yeah. What? Hey. Well, this is why the courts need to open, Attorney Soroki. This is exactly why. Because people, if they had to sit down here, not following the matter of people versus Leo Wilkes. This is ticket SP 135618811, count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Leo Will.
All right, counsel, this is the date time set for a bench trial in this matter. There's no officer here. Do you have a motion?
Yes, defense moves to dismiss this matter, Your Honor.
Time is now 10:34 a.m. No officer having appeared in this matter. Court's going to grant that request and dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, I hope you have your car insurance now. If not, make sure you get it and have it in your vehicle at all times.
Yes.
You was in for a pre-trial. Hold on a minute. My file says bench trial. We supposed to be here for a pre-trial. Do you have your oath? I'm sorry. One of the people you mentioned in the file of people. Do you have your insurance now?
No.
All right. All right, I gotta put you back in the waiting room. Hold on a minute. All right, I'm gonna just pause. Wait, Mr. Wilkes, I gotta go back off the record. All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are
I'm
we
waiting
on
for your
pause?
attorney to come back. I'm waiting for your attorney to come back in the room, Miss White.
Okay.
Okay.
Is Irma White? Miss White, are you here for a trial today?
Yes, ma'am, I believe so.
All right. Now, calling the matter of the people versus Irma Simone White. This is ticket SP 1389341. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Irma Simone White.
Okay. All right, today's the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter, counsel. No officer is here. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, defendant, we move to dismiss this matter.
All right, the time is now 10:41 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant that request and dismiss this without prejudice. All right, ma'am, you're all set. Slow down, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, apologize, I'm back. I had a urgent matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Judge, I have a question about, I see a Woodson.
Yes.
That should, did Buffington show up? Officer
No.
Buffington?
Officers have come beyond the two that showed up this morning.
Okay, so Woodson, it's no PO then. He's in room 5.
All right, did y'all talk to everybody? The only one you need offer on is Mr. Wright, right? Attorney Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let me just
What
bring,
about- Well, I'm gonna close it down because they not listening today and it's not you. I knew I was coming into work today and my patience level wasn't gonna be as clear as it has typically been. Attorney Soroki, what would he take for that case? That case, that driving case, what did you want to try and get him?
Basically, the normal offer is 1 to 5 limited access.
You got it today.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it to you. You wanna talk to him about that before I close out all the breakout rooms to see if he'll take it?
I'll go talk to him really fast, Your Honor.
I'll talk to him real quick.
Okay, let me get there.
and then Williams and Woodson, those should be no officers.
What about Wilkes?
Wilkes is he's sending it for a bench trial.
Okay, I'll bring him in while he's talking to him and then I'll close down the room. Nobody's listening today and this, I can't.
I don't see Wilkes, Your Honor. I don't see him in. Okay.
All right, Mr. Wilkes, okay, I got the attorney that spoke to you earlier, so I'm ready now. Now recalling the matter of People versus Leo Wilkes. This is ticket SP 135618881. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Leo Wilkes.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that my client wants to waive his rights to a jury trial and set this matter for a bench trial. Today's the date and time for a pretrial.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
So please raise your right hand.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights? And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to set this for the day of July 25th. Put it in your calendar, July 25th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. July 25th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. I'll see you then, okay, Mr. Wilkes? Okay, all right, see you then, sir. Will you take that, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Wilkes, you can go ahead and sign off. Mute yourselves until I call your case. Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Doshan Wright Jr. This is ticket number SP 139465. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Doshan Wright.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant wishes to accept the offer in this matter of a limited access 1 to 5 on the speeding 6 to 10 mile, no over ticket, and dismiss a no insurance misdemeanor.
Sir, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter in 1 count, limited access, 1 to 5 over speed. The remaining count 1 will be dismissed, okay, sir? The fine for
Yes,
that is
thank you.
$125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's gonna be due no later than May 3rd. May 3rd, that $125 is gonna be due, okay?
Okay.
All right, slow down.
Yes, ma'am.
They didn't write the true number, but I can see the true number of how fast you were going. Slow down. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Brian Williams II. Now calling the matters of the people versus Brian Lawrence Williams II. This is ticket number SP 1387415, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1387230, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of defendant P 77169. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Brian Williams.
Your Honor, it's my understanding today's date and time scheduled for trial. Is my understanding also that the officer or the complaining witness has not signed in or checked in. We would ask the court to dismiss the charge without prejudice.
All right. So at this time, no officer, it's 10:50 a.m. No officer having checked in, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Williams, slow down as well, please, and thank you. Also, if you don't have a license, don't drive. I can't hear you. If you're talking to me, I don't hear what you're saying.
Oh, I'm
And
sorry.
Mr. Williams, I can say you probably don't want to say anything at this point.
Okay.
All right.
You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, sir.
Pecan, is it Pecan Woodson?
Yes, that's me.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Pecan Wilson III. This is ticket number SP 1389152. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1389153. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Farad Khan Shabazz Woodson III.
Your Honor, it's my understanding today's date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared nor signed in. We ask the court for dismissal.
At this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. It's only one on the docket today. Did the other tickets go into default? Did you pay on them, Mr. Woodson?
No, I haven't. I believe they put it on the same ticket.
They did put it on the same ticket. For some reason, it didn't make my docket. I'm going to dismiss those two. It should have made my docket. All right?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're all set, Mr. Woodson. If you have any reinstatement fees, you'll have to pay those. But other than that, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too, thank you. Nicholas Warbo,
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your camera. Did you have back surgery recently?
That?
Did you have back surgery recently?
No, ma'am.
So please sit up, sir. Please sit up while we're in the
He
court.
is sitting up, he just has the pillow behind his back. That's why I asked before, because I didn't want him to remove the pillow when he had just had back surgery, because I know that could be helpful.
What's that?
The pillow.
Oh,
There we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Nicholas David Robo. This is ticket number SX 4052951. Count 1, speed 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name for the record. Say it again.
David Roble. Nicholas David Roble.
Okay. Your Honor, it's my understanding today's date and time set for trial. Is the officer has not appeared nor signed in. We ask the court for dismissal.
Time is now 10:54 a.m. No officer having signed in for this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Slow down, sir, while you're driving, please.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too. That was this morning's docket. Thank
That's
you.
it.
All right,
Thank you,
Have a
Judge.
good day,
All right,
everybody.
you're welcome. Y'all have a great day, okay?
We'll do.
See you all at 1:30.
So, let me get you off live. Hold on a minute. Take us off.